Okay, guys, I'm going to try to show you what happens when you get a Kami assignment. So there's going to be a button that says you're going to click on it to load it in a new window. So once it's loaded in a new window, you won't have to sign in or anything. You may have to click a button that says that you're allowed to use that application, but otherwise you should be able to just use it. And the assignment is just going to pop up like this, okay? There's tools on the left-hand side here. So select tool, which you won't really use. Text to speech if you wanted to record an answer. Say it's like a reading assignment. You can use this to write on it. Say you wanted to highlight something, you could use that. Whoopsie. Sorry, it was showing me in color. So see how it highlights it if you want to highlight it. You could create a text box. You might actually use this a lot if you need to type something up, like your answer in there. And then the drawing tab. The drawing tab is good because you can use it to make a line from one thing to another, or you can add shapes and insert a line from one thing to another like this. So for some of you who are getting a math assessment this week, you may want to use that shapes and then line. Or like I said, you can always draw a line. And then this is how you erase an answer. You just click the eraser and you rub it over top and it should erase it. You won't really be using a lot of these other ones. And then once you're done, you're going to hit the submit button up here at the top. So you hit submit and it'll give you the option to submit it again, and then it'll send to me. If there's a mistake or if something happens and you hit submit too early and you need me to unsubmit it, I can do that. Just send me a message. Otherwise, it'll send it right to me and it'll come off of your assignments tab. So the most important things here are you're going to click on the button that tells you that you need to submit, or you're going to open a new tool, and then you'll use either the text box, the drawing, or the shapes to add it on there. If you need any help, always let me know, and make sure you hit submit at the top to send it to me. Otherwise, there's nothing else you need to do and it'll show up on my Canvas.